Okay, so let's go talk about exceptions now. Exceptions are something that happens that is, well, exceptional. It's an error or situation that you didn't expect to happen. For example, when you're opening a file, you may try to open a file that doesn't exist. Therefore, it may throw an exception. There are really two classes of exceptions that you have here. There's exceptions you can deal with, like a missing file, and exceptions that should cause your program to crash, like an index out of bounds exception when you're working with arrays. It is not always bad for an exception to crash your program. You want to know when an exception happens, and you want to know when a bug occurs so it can be fixed. So don't worry about crashing. Sometimes that is the correct behavior. In this module, we will go over how to handle exceptions, throw in exceptions, and some general practice on using exceptions in the Java environment. Be aware that Java does have a unique feature that other languages lack, which is the checked and unchecked exceptions. In Java, if a method declares that it throws an exception, you are forced to deal with it. Other languages, such as C#, no such rule exists. There's a lot of debate on whether or not that is good or bad and what is better. There's a lot of academic research on that. Suffice to say, in Java, you have to deal with checked exceptions one way or the other, because the compiler will not compile your code otherwise. So head all over to the reading and get started learning about exceptions. Thanks.